This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spa Marvel effectively. First, ensure your spa is completely drained and thoroughly cleaned. This fresh start is crucial for optimal performance. Next, remove any old filter cartridges and replace them with new ones to guarantee clean water circulation. Then, fill your spa with fresh water, making sure it reaches the manufacturer's recommended level. Finally, balance your water's pH and alkalinity levels before adding any product. This preparation sets the stage for a truly enjoyable spa experience. Once your spa is prepared, it's time to add the Spa Marvel. For most spas, simply pour 1 full bottle directly into the water. If your spa holds more than 2,000 liters, add an additional 1/3 of a bottle to ensure adequate treatment. After adding, run your spa's jets for at least 15 minutes. This helps circulate the product thoroughly throughout the entire system. You should repeat this simple application process every 3 months to maintain crystal clear water and a pleasant spa environment. Ongoing maintenance is key to a sparkling spa. Every 2 weeks, remove your filter cartridges and rinse them thoroughly with a garden hose to remove debris. Additionally, once a month, perform a chemical cleaning of your filters using a dedicated filter cleaner to remove oils and lotions. Always keep your water level consistent to ensure proper circulation and heating. Regularly test your water for pH and alkalinity balance, making adjustments as needed. These simple steps will keep your spa running beautifully. Using Spa Marvel offers numerous benefits, significantly reducing your reliance on harsh chemicals like chlorine or bromine. You'll notice your skin feels much softer and less irritated after soaking, enhancing your overall spa experience. Here's a pro tip. Use a pre-filter when filling your spa to remove impurities from your tap water, ensuring an even cleaner start. For an even deeper clean, consider using a Spa Marvel cleanser periodically to purge your spa's plumbing lines. Enjoy your wonderfully clean and comfortable spa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.